road, you fucktard! You fucking idiot! What? You come head on into me!
Oi.
Ramai. I masuk-masuk, dia ada 2 eskalator. 2 eskalator tu, dua-dua tak function.
Hey, hey.
Jesus. Fuck.
Craig.
He was completely on the outside of the road. Did you see?
No.
That Landcruiser was completely on the outside of the road. Obviously not watching where he was going.